Hi, my name is Dave. I'm a homeowner, and because of that, I've learned how to fix stuff over the years, and not sure what we're going to fix next, but we're going to fix something or build something. I like building.
Okay, today we're going to install a door in a basement, and the door height, because of the beam in the middle of the basement, it's only 79 inches, and they don't sell custom pre-hung doors at 79 inches, so the one we got is for 80-inch door, and it's 82 and an eighth, so we're going to have to take off 3 and an eighth from the bottom of the door. You could do this with a skill saw. I already have a table saw set up, so we're just going to go ahead and cut the door itself on a table saw. Had to take the pins out of the hinges, and a little plastic piece that holds the doorknob to the frame. Had to take those off, obviously. Alright, I've already got my fence set, taking off 3 and an eighth. Now the door already comes pre-hung with about an inch clearance from the bottom of the frame to the bottom of the door, so we're going to take off 3 and an eighth from the door frame bottom as well, so that we still have that gap for our flooring. Just happen to have a miter saw set up in the basement, so we'll use that, even though you could use a skill saw or some other saw, but this one's just easy, makes nice clean cuts, and it's already set up in the basement. Just be careful not to break the frame while you're maneuvering it around. This is definitely a two-person job, because you couldn't hold up the frame and make the cut by yourself. Fortunately, I have my son helping me. Alright, we got the frame into the door frame. We'll make sure we're level. Once we're level, we can start putting in some shims, get that thing nice and solid up against the 2x4 in the proper position. Takes a few minutes. But once it's done, the door's going to open and close right. I like to start by securing the top of the frame to the 2x4s with my shims in place. That way I can go ahead and hang the door up, and if I need to make any adjustments after I have the door in place, I can do so without having to remove any nails. I like to take a couple of 1-inch blocks and place them under the door just to get it to line up with the hinges correctly. Alright, we got the hinges in. Now we're just going to make slight adjustments with the shims and make sure that door closes in the frame properly. You want about a 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around the door. Like I said, it takes a few minutes just to get all the adjustments right, but once you do, you secure that frame to the 2x4s with the shims holding it tight, and it'll close right for years to come. Alright, we'll take you inside the door frame and show you the gaps that we got. And that's what we're looking for. So now we got everything right where we want it. We'll go ahead and tack it down. Seems to be just a little bit of wobble in there. I want to make sure that my frame is nice and flush with the drywall, so when I put my molding pieces around the door frame, it'll sit tight. Alright, we got it. Do the corners on the bottom. Now I got my bottoms in place, I got the tops in place, then I can go back and do the sides, make sure they're just right. Nice to have a helping hand when you need to apply a little bit more pressure. Alright, got the middle section done. Just going back and putting some extra nails in there. Both sides, top, bottom. all around. That should just about do it.